Okay students, now after studying the concept of first term, let's start solving the exercise related with that. Now they are telling us a drinking glass is in the shape of first term of a cone. Of a cone, why they are using the word? They are using the word of a cone because first term is generally created from the cone. Of height 14 centimeter. Of height 14 centimeter means the height of the drinking glass is 14 centimeter. The diameter of its circular ends are, now they are telling the diameter of circular ends are 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Find the capacity of glass. Now let's see when they are talking about glass. So first term should be like this. We will change the position. Will make it upside down because obviously glass are like that. Now they are telling height. Height means perpendicular distance. We are not talking about slant height. They are telling height. Height is how much? So h is equals to 40 centimeter. Then they are telling diameters of its two circular ends are. Circular ends diameters means from to here it will come 4 centimeter means it is diameter. Okay, if I take it as d1, so my r1 will always be 4 upon 2 centimeter is equals to 2 centimeter. Same way here, lower end diameter means d2 is coming how much? 2 centimeter. So obviously r2 means half of that. Always remember, so it will come 1 centimeter. This thing we are going to write properly in the form of statement also. You can write. Concept clear? Now what they are asking? They are asking find the capacity of the glass. Capacity of the glass means how much water it can hold. इसमें कितना पानी आ सकता है. So what we will do? We will find the volume. Always to find the capacity we will find the volume. Thus we have to find the volume of first term. Yeah, volume of glass. Remember the shape here, it is in the shape of first term, so we'll use the formula for first term. So volume of first term will come 1 upon 3 pi h, and it is in bracket we will write r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Okay, so now we will put the values. Now in this question they have not given any value of pi, so obviously we will take it as 22 by 7 into h is 14 bracket r1 square, so r1 is 2 square plus r2 we are getting 1, so 1 square plus r1 into r2 means 2 into 1, and here answer will come in centimeter cube because we are finding the volume. Again we will cancel 7 ones and 7 twos, we can multiply, so it will become 44 upon 3 in bracket 2 square will become 4 plus 1 square will be 1 plus 2 into 1 will be 2 centimeter cube, so it will become 44 upon 3 into 6 plus 1 7 centimeter cube. And when you will solve, and then you will get the answer 102 integer 2 by 3 centimeter cube. If you want you can convert it into decimal point also. I have left in integer only. Then write the last line. Thus the capacity of the glass is 0 to integer 2 by 3 centimeter cube. Okay, so that's how we get the answer.